こんにちは、エリカです。Hi, this is Erica and we're going to be studying for the JLPT. So today we're going to do lesson 28. 何々んです and 何々のです。So we use these when we want to say or we want to listen to information, reason, or an explanation of something. So, for example, お腹が空いています。So we say this when we want to say I am hungry. お腹が空いています。Change it to お腹が空いているんです。This is a more casual way to say it. And we use this when we want to say our feelings are more serious. So, どうしましたか? This is what's wrong. When we want to say what's wrong in a more casual and a more serious way, you say どうしたんですか? Okay. So, this. 何々this is a more casual and serious way to say something. Okay, so please go to the next page, 表1, table 1. So we want to change the verbs to this. First one, 書く, to write. Okay, first one is dictionary form. 書くんです. And 書かない, don't write. This is ない form. 書かないんです. And 書きたい. We want to write. 書きたいんです. 書いている, ている. Be writing is 書いているんです. Next one, 書いた. Wrote. This is past form. 書いたんです. Next one, 書ける. Can write. This is 可能形. 書けるんです. Okay. Next one, 書かれる. To be written. It's passive. So 受け身形. 書かれるんです. So verbs have many forms we reviewed in the past lesson. So if you don't know 辞書形、内形、他可能形、受け身形, and so on, please review. And for e adjectives, when we want to put this after an e adjective, you don't have to do anything. You just put this. So, for example, please look at the next page. 遠いんです. Far. This means far. 遠いんです. Another e adjective, heavy, 重い, becomes 重いんです. Now let's look at na adjectives. So na adjectives are also, you don't have to do anything. Just add this. So first one, dislikable, 嫌いな, 嫌いなんです. Okay. Next na adjective, important, 重要な. This becomes 重要なんです. Okay, so for e adjective, na adjectives, you just have to put this after the word. So it's very simple. And let's look at nouns. For nouns, you must add na. So for example, student, 学生. When we want to add this, please add na. 学生なんです. Okay. Next example, a park, 公園. So we want to add na this after park. 公園. 公園なんです. Okay. So for nouns, please add na before this. Okay. Now let's go to grammar 1, 2. 文法1の2. Please go to the next page. And let's read some sentences. First one. 便利なファイルですね。どこで買ったんですか？私も欲しいです。So that's a convenient plastic file. Where did you buy it? どこで買ったんですか? This is a more casual way, and it's a verb, so past form. た. So 買います, the past form of 買います is 買った. So 買ったんですか? And number 2, 学校の北側にあるコンビニですよ. So I bought it at the convenience store you can find on the north side of my school. 北側 is north side. Number 3, 毎日宿題があるんですか? Okay, ある, this is again a verb. あるんですか? And this is dictionary form, so just add んです。あるんですか? And number 4, そうです。That's right. 頑張ってくださいね. Do your best. Number 5, 日本で働きたいのですが、どうすればいいですか? So they're asking, what should I do when I want to work in Japan? So they're saying, I want to work in Japan. 働きたいのですが. This is のです, so it's a more formal way to say it. We've been doing んです, a more casual way. But のです. We use this when we want to ask formally or say something formally. のです. Okay. And number 6. まず日本語を勉強した方がいいと思いますよ. Well, first, I think you should study Japanese. Okay, now let's go to words. 言葉2の1. Okay, let's look at some vocabulary. First one. 駅前. 駅前. This is front of a station, so near your station or around your station, and front of a station. Next one. お昼休み or 昼休み. This means lunch break. Next one, 有給 or 有給休暇. This means a paid absence. Next one, 半日休暇 and 半休 means a half day off. Okay, 半休 is a more shorter way to say it. Next one, 北. This means north. Next one, 南 means south. Next one, 東. This means east. And 西. This means west. Okay, so 北, 南, 西, 東. Okay, north, south, east, west. West, east. 北、南、東、西. Okay, next one. 何々側. So this means side of. Next one. 何々の方. In the direction of. Next one. ゆっくり. This means slowly. Next one, 早く. This means quickly or fast. Please go to the next page. We have more words. Next one, 静かに. This means quietly. Next one, 大きな声で. This means with a loud voice. Next one, kabuki. It's kabuki. Okay, Japanese, kabuki. Next one, oshibai. This means acting. Next one, sumo. Okay, sumo. This means sumo. Okay, like a sumo wrestler. Next one, no. This is no. Next one,